Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your lovely host here, XOxostylingwithggfaison, and guys, I welcome you into my home once again. I happen to be at Walmart today, and they have these beautiful flowers here, these roses of a magenta and fuchsia mix, and I decided to grab some of these for my husband. Ladies, we don't have to just wait for them to bring us flowers. Hey, when they are great men doing great things, let's bring them some flowers as well. I also picked up a bunch for my mom as well. These are like 2 dozens of roses at Walmart for $14.97. That's it, only $14.97. These are absolutely beautiful, and with this color here, they had the baby's breast of the same color. So guys, sit back, relax. I'm going to go ahead and put this arrangement together. I hope you guys will enjoy it. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you tap the notification bell twice so you will always be notified of any and all videos that are created on this channel. I'm going to show you how to put together a beautiful arrangement without breaking the bank. So what I'm doing here, guys, is just removing the leaves from my stems here. I like to remove the greenery because it provides a much cleaner look, and my water doesn't get dirty quite as easily. So I'm going to pull off all the leaves, and then I'm going to keep making this arrangement. So stick around, grab your coffee or tea or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink. Just sit back, relax. I'm going to do the work and show you how beautiful these can be. So here, now that I've removed all of the leaves from the stems, I'm going to just bundle them all together just to get a visual as to how I want these to look in the cylinder. And then I'm going to cut them down. I want the bud of the rose stem to just be above the cylinder by just a few inches. I don't want them to stand in the cylinder as if like this here. If I had a bigger or taller cylinder, then I would probably leave them as they are, but because this is the one that I'm using here, I'm going to go ahead and cut these down and give a little slit in the bottom so that it helps them to absorb the water and hopefully last a little bit longer. So I'm going to keep working. You guys just enjoy your coffee or whatever it is that you're drinking, sit back, relax, and then hopefully I can share with you something that's absolutely beautiful on a budget. So once you have your flowers all cut to the size that you want them to be in your container, your vase or your cylinder, whatever you're choosing to use, once you've done that, you add your water. Then you get those little packets that come within your flowers. It's called the Flower Life, and this is what extends the life of your flowers, your roses, or whatever it is that you have, and it usually comes within the pack. So then you add that to your water, give it a nice little stir. I'm just using the flowers just to mix it around inside the cylinder here. And then once that's done, I'm going to go in and add the baby spreads. And then guys, you will see how beautiful these $14.97 flowers turned out to be. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful without breaking the bank. That's the most important thing. We want to do things that we can enjoy, that's beautiful, and you don't have to spend a lot for it.